Hi guys, I'm in Cranbourne heading towards Epping. Yeah, I wanted to try the pure video mode on my Insta360 Ace Pro 2 camera. I've never, ever since I bought my new camera, I haven't been able to try it. But I thought tonight I'll give it a try. And I want to see how the footage comes up. So I'm recording at 4K 120 FPS. I'm using the Leica Vivid mode. Leica Vivid mode. And let's see how the thing comes up, the video quality. So I've got the microphone set up. Everything's ready to go. Yeah, so the special thing about the pure video mode on these Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is it's supposed to pick up, I mean it does have some AI enhanced features, but especially the night recording, it's supposed to enhance the lighting a lot, heaps more compared to the previous versions. That's the shops there on the right. Just make sure that I'm doing the speed limit. Speed limit here. Monash Cranbourne Health Community Hospital. Yeah, because on YouTube I watched other content creators videos on the pure video mode using Insta360, and I was really surprised how good the lighting and the colors were, even at night time. So it's almost like pitch black, aside from some of the lights here, the street lights and the stop lights. I want to see how it comes up. I just rolled it. Cranbourne has developed so much since the last time I was here. It's like another city. To be honest, if you ask me whether like Dandenong's better or Cranbourne's better, I would have to say Cranbourne's better. Dandenong, I didn't like it as much. Really good, 3 lanes. A lot of shops here. It's Cranbourne Park on the left. That must be the main shopping centre here. It's a huge complex. Really nice. Look at that dumpling sign. It's getting really cold. I got my summer gloves. I should have worn the winter gloves, but during day was good today.